In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Proxy Janitor AI Meganova AI. To get started, open the Meganova AI website and sign into your account. Make sure you're fully logged in before moving on, since you'll need access to your account settings for the next part. Once you're in, head over to the API keys section and create a new API key. This key is what allows Janitor AI to connect with Meganova AI, so it's an important part of the setup. After the key is generated, copy it and keep it stored somewhere safe so you can access it when needed. Next, open Janitor AI and start a chat with any character. This just gives you a place to access the settings you'll need. From there, open the API or proxy settings and create a new proxy configuration. This is where you'll enter the connection details that link Janitor AI to Meganova AI. For the proxy URL, enter https://inference.meganova.ai/v1/chat/completions. Be sure to type it exactly as shown, since even a small mistake in the address can prevent the connection from working properly. For the model field, enter Meganova-I Manta Flash 1.0. This tells Janitor AI which Meganova model it should use when sending requests. Then, paste your Meganova API key into the API key field. Double-check that it has been pasted correctly and that there are no extra spaces before or after it. Once all of the details are filled in, save the configuration. After that, return to your Janitor AI chat and send a test message. This is the quickest way to confirm that everything has been set up correctly. If the character responds normally, that means your Meganova AI proxy has been successfully connected to Janitor AI, and that's all there is to it.